Speaker is Avi Shahaf. Did I pronounce that right? Avi and his wife Nira are here from Israel. Nira is a dance therapist and a psychotherapist in her own right. Avi is an organizational consultant in Tel Aviv, and he is here to talk to us about advancing human dignity through the concepts and tools of organizational development. So, take it away.
Thank you, David. So I would like to present first an approach of teaching human dignity based on the concepts and tools of OD, organizational development. But before that, I'd like to share with you briefly a universal concept of the notion of human dignity, which in my opinion is very clear and implementable. Now, this concept was created by Schlanger, Professor Schlanger from the Hebrew University in Jerusalem. And you know, in Hebrew we have only one word, kavod. In English there are three different words. And here are three different dimensions of human dignity. Talking about honor, the meaning is displaying esteem for a person. And the emphasis is always on external signs, like polite behavior toward others, usually those who are in positions of power and authority. An example is standing up for a judge, saluting a person of rank in the army, and the source of dignity. The source of dignity is always according due to one's status. The second approach is respect, which is absolutely different. This is an expressing an inner attitude toward people due to their achievements, successes, abilities. The emphasis here is always on a person's inner feeling toward another rather than external elements. And examples can be adoration of young people towards movie stars or football players, or even a prize, awarding a prize to an outstanding worker. So the source of dignity here is always according to one's actions and not one's status. And the third one, which is the dignity that we want to advance in organizations and in life, is a relation to the human dimension of every human being, while the emphasis is always on a person as a human dignity. When dignity stems from consideration for a person as a human being and represents a positive attitude that connects person to person, irrespective of gender, religion, ethnic origin, status, etc. And some examples can be listening attentively to a person with whom I am in conflict, or expressing confidence in another person. Now, the source of dignity is always according to the person, in as much he or she is a human being. So here we have three different approaches that can very help us to create a common language when we try to help organizations to talk about or to advance human dignity in their lives. So the question now is, how can we do it? And I would like to relate to some basic principles and then to the process. So my question is not if we can teach dignity. We must do it. But I prefer to ask, how can we teach dignity? Teaching dignity is different from teaching English or history lessons. Our aim is to create a common language, to change culture, to build a new reality. It seems that each person is involved by participating in a systematic, holistic process. The leaders play a central role in this process, mainly by personal example. We encourage establishing a committee team whose members become internal change agents, And we use either questionnaires to measure behavior of dignity and indignity before and after the process, or what I prefer, a narrative approach, storytelling by the participants about their experiences. Okay, now, after a diagnostic that consists of questions about the main characteristics and the uniqueness of the organization, and right after people are getting to know the meaning of dignity, and we always use Schlanger's classification, we are getting to the two main stages of the process: workshops and organizational structures that will lead the organizational structures that will be assimilated in the daily culture of the organization. I mean, two main streams of activity: consciousness raising and organizational structures that will lead towards a visible change. Just an example, in a school, not we, but the teachers teach the children, 6th grade, to be human dignity observers. And they get special guidelines to observe in different fields, whether inside school or outside of the school, and to see and to report to their colleagues about what they have seen about dignity or indignity. It can be a supermarket, a clinic in the community, or another an example that I can show you is, I'll do it very brief. You know, the Israeli army is struggling with a very difficult dilemma. How, on the one hand, to avoid terrorism, and yet at the same time not to humiliate innocent Palestinians. So they create a human dignity convention, and it was their idea that when we handcut a Palestinian, it will never be in front of his family. And they said the 8-year-old child should not see his father humiliated. And this is how you can create dignity in an undignified situation. Now, I would like, Now I would like to deliver, I wrote with me, I would like to deliver an example of an exercise which is a part of a workshop, and I would like to give it to you as a taste of raising consciousness. And I hope that that someday we will be able to facilitate a whole workshop in one of our meetings. Thank you very much. Thank you.
For those of you who are interested in workplace issues, I think you know that when someone is trying to mainstream the idea of human dignity in the workplace, they are doing some very important work that is not always well received. So, Avi, it's great to see you bringing these concepts into a more structured setting. And I wish you a lot of luck with it, because it sounds like you're doing some very interesting things with it. Thank you. Our final speaker is Monty Marshall, and Monty is a research professor here at the School of Public Policy right at George Mason, or used to be, and you